Unplug charger. Moisture has been detected. Unplug the charger and wait until both the charger and USB ports are dry. The water actually somehow, condensation may have gotten into this little charger port here. You're going to need a, I got 91% isopropyl alcohol. You don't want to get any lower than 91%. Okay, got a couple of cotton balls, and then also have a Q-tip here. So what you're going to want to do now is go ahead and power it all the way down. Shut it down, don't restart it, just power it off. Okay, so where the power outlet goes in, where the charger goes in, actually I took one of these ends off of the Q-tips. And I got it there and I'm rubbing it in there. Okay. I want to take then I want to take my alcohol. And I'm going to wet my end of the Q-tip with it. If you got one of the older Samsung Galaxies, I would recommend taking the battery out if you can. This particular one's an S7, so I don't have that ability to do that on this phone. Okay, that's what you want to do. Just going to pat it down with the dry end. Let's go, actually, we'll pat it down here with the dry end. And try to go inside it. Okay. Next I want to hit it with a warm hair blower. Next, I'm going to let it sit for about an hour. If you don't have a hair dryer like that, I would recommend placing it maybe about a foot away from like a furnace that's blowing hot air.
1 hour later.
So let's go ahead and restart it. Now we're going to try plugging it in. And you can see there, now it's charging. Okay guys, now it's charging. For a split second, the error message came on. Okay, so I had it sitting for an hour. It probably needs to sit for a little bit longer.
1 hour later.
And you can see here, it's fully charging at 88% right now with no errors. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.